Hello friends, welcome to Shilpa's Home Decor Ideas. Please subscribe to our channel and enjoy watching this video. In this video, you will see top 100 creative understair storage ideas you need to try. Wondering how to use the space under the stair in your house? With a little creativity, this impact and sometimes awkwardly shaped area can be transformed into a functional living or storage space you will love. From pantries to libraries, check out this list of unique staircase storage ideas that will inspire your next home improvement project. Store your books in a mini library. Install a few shelves or cabinets, fill them with favorite novels, or turn that awkward space under the stair into a gorgeous small home library. This area provides a perfect book storage solutions without having to add extra furniture to other room. You can also store magazines, photo album and board games here. Turn an open space under stair into a children's playroom. Not only does this make a fun hideout spot for your little ones, but you can store books, games and toys in this space to keep everything neatly tucked away. Install sliding stair drawer for hidden storage. Sliding drawers are an easy and compact way to maximize staircase storage space that would otherwise go to waste. They also provide a way to hide unsightly items, making them great for smaller homes that may not have enough closet for space. Design a cozy reading nook. If you can't fit a reading nook in a small living room or bedroom, you can make an under the stair. Simply add comfy cushions and good lighting, and you will have a space you will never want to leave. If you have enough room, build a bench. That way, you have a place to sit and book storage. You can create more kitchen pantry space. Do you have a limit kitchen storage? One amazing way to utilize your storage under the stair is a great staircase pantry with a few floating shelves, rolling drawers, and clear storage containers. You can store dry goods of all shapes and sizes. Expand your kitchen cabinets. Here is cupboards under the stair storage idea you don't want to miss. Instead of turning a space under the stair into an additional pantry, you can use it to store your dishes, silverware, and serving trays. Design your dream wine room. You don't need a large cellar in your house to store your wine collection. Turn that understair space into a wine room that can both store and display your bottles. With little work, this space can have a visual appeal of major renovation for a fraction of the cost. If you have a limited closet space throughout your house, the space under stair can be a great spot for a coat closet. All you need are a few shelves, rods, hangers, and hooks to store umbrellas, hats, scarf, bags, and other accessories. You can even add a door to conceal the space. Make an understair bathroom. Another way to utilize extra space under stair is by adding a small bathroom. This can be a great additional to the first level of your home, especially if you entertain a lot of guests. If that's not an option, you can always go the less expensive route and create a small powder room. The area under your stairs can be challenging to fully maximize because it's such an awkward shape. But with some creative organization and to the help of storage containers, you can turn that odd space into a storage room for lines, holiday decoration, sporting equipment, and seasonal clothing. Create a small office under stair. Instead of using that extra bedroom for a workspace, consider turning the space under the stair into a compact office. No matter the size of your space, you can create an custom office area that will feel like a private workstation. Add a few shelves above your desk to store papers, files, and other office items. Make a small pet room. Even our pets need a cozy space where they can hide or take a sneeze. So why not turn the space under stair into a mini home for your pets? All you need is a pet bed, pet toys, and pet food dishes, and door or gate. There are several ways that you can use the area underneath the stair, from bookshelf to home office to even bathroom and laundry space. The sky is the limit to how you can utilize under stair space, and we have collected numerous ideas to help give you some inspiration. In the hallway, or logical choice might be to fit a wardrobe there. It would be perfect for seasonal clothing, footwear, hat, mitts, and gloves. The wardrobe can have open shelves or cabinets with doors for a cleaner aesthetics. You can also put a compact bench or chair with a small table there. Staircases can look incredible on their own, but add a functional bookcase to create a unique statement piece. Use your staircase as a drawer to store clutter or seasonal clothing. Even bikes can be stored under the stair. These are some unique and creative ideas you can use in your own house. I hope this video will help you to choose the best under stair storage ideas for your home. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel to see a lot of more home related videos. Thanks for watching.